In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access security. Then scroll down again and tap on Emergency SOS. Now click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contacts. Finally, tap on the one that you wish to set up and decide if you wish to notify this contact that it's yours emergency one by selecting one of those options in the pop-up. Then do exactly the same to all the other contacts you need. If you wish to edit your contacts, click on this icon at the top right corner, and to remove some of them, tap on this X next to the chosen one and hit remove. To change placement of them, hold one of your contacts and drag it to move it. Then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!